In this video, we are going to solve the question. A multiple choice exam has 4 questions, each with 4 answer choices. Every question has only one correct answer. The probability of getting all answers correct by independent random guesses for each one is. So, there are 4 options given. Now, let's take a look at the details given in the question briefly. There are total 4 questions given. And each of these questions has 4 options, and out of these 4 options only one option is correct. Here we have to find the probability of getting all answers correct by independent random guesses for each one. In order to find the probability of getting all answers correctly, we have to find the probability of getting correct answers for each question separately. For that, first we find the probability of first answer to be correct. That is, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes for the first answer to be correct is 1 because there is exactly one correct answer for each question. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is 1 and the total number of outcomes, that is, the total number of options is 4. Therefore, the probability of first answer to be correct is 1 by 4. Similarly, the probability of second answer to be correct is 1 by 4. Probability of third answer is correct is 1 by 4 and probability of fourth answer is correct is 1 by 4. So, we have found the probability of getting correct answers for each question separately. Now, we will find the probability of getting all answers correctly. That is, the probability of first answer correct and probability of second answer correct and probability of third answer correct and probability of fourth answer correct. That is, probability of first answer correct into probability of second answer correct into probability of third answer correct into probability of fourth answer correct. That is, we have to multiply all those probabilities. That is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 the whole power 4. Therefore, our required probability is 1 by 4 the whole power 4. And the correct answer is option B.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.